Welcome to Burlington. Yeah, I hope you're doing good. Today I'm starting with clothing section as I always do. Look what we got here. I'm showing you new things in the store. If you are interested, go to any Burlington near you, okay? Yeah, and if you like my type of video, please do give me a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. We all love good deals, right? Thank you for your support. I appreciate it all. And if you want me to show you a particular section, comment in the comment section. I'll try my best, okay? Let's keep going. $19.99. This is short pleated skirt, and this one is by Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, this was $49 today. You get it for $49.50 today. You get it for $19.99. It's new in the store, available in different sizes. Beside, we have this tee. This one is by Guess for $12.99 in color black. And we also have this one by Guess as well for $14.99. And this floral one, oh, this is tropical. All right, and this one is $10.99. Here we have this two-piece set. Yeah, interesting two-piece set. Look. Yeah, this is short and sleeveless button-down shirt. All right, and this is by this brand. This is priced together. They always price together. Let me see if I can pick the price for you. Is priced together. Let's see. Store price, please. Store price is not okay. Store price. This is actually $16.99 for this set, and we have these two. This is our dress, okay, for $14.99. It's available in different sizes. Here we have this olive green skirts, cargo skirt. We are all about cargo skirts. You will see lots of it this season. They have it available in the store. This one is $16.99 and is in different sizes, same price, okay? And here we have this one. If you're interested to see the type of handbag they have, handbags in the store, shoes in the store, keep watching, don't go away. This one is $13.99. It's available in different sizes, okay? Look at them here. And this I love this color for just $8.99. And here we have this button-down shirt, long sleeve shirt. Yeah, look at that for $12.99. This can serve as a good Valentine gift. It's available in size extra small, large, extra leg. I am on a hunt for a very good high-waisted jeans short. I missed out on the one I saw on Zara website. This is by Nine West, and this one is just $14.99. It's available in size 10, 8, 12, 14, 16, almost, yeah. Look at this one, plain button-down short sleeve shirt. This one is by CK for $9.99. Yeah, the quality is excellent and it feels so heavy. Okay, yeah, let's check out the value. The value for this is $69.50. I know that looks really expensive. And here we have this one. Handbag section. Let's start with butter yellow handbags. You have lots of it in the store. Burlington. This is by Steve Madden. If you are all about this trend, come to Steve Madden. This is $24.99. And here we have this one by Tahari crossbody, and this is $19.99. This is I love this. This is by Madden Girl for $19.99, and this was $54. Interesting. And here we have another one. Oh, the leather feels so good with this tassel. Okay, and this one is by this brand for, let's see, this is $14.99. Interesting deal. Down here is this top handle crossbody one by Steve Madden. This was $68, and today you get it for $27.99. And also this cute one for $12.99. And this love one here for, this is on sale for $22.99. Interesting. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. Thank you so much for your support. If you want me to take you to any particular section, comment in the comment section down below. This one is $19.99. I will try my best to take you around. This is by Juicy Culture for $19.99. And here I am looking at this one. Look at this for $29.99. Interesting. Here they have lavender. Look, this is a very big backpack, perfect for traveling. Good. And this one is $29.99. You know, more lavender. This is by Guess. Feels good with coin sports. This is $37.99. This is another one by Steve Madden, lavender. This one is shoulder and crossbody. This was $88. Today you get it for $27.99. More lavender. All right. If you are all about this trend, come to Burlington, $17.99. Yeah, they serve you hot trends, right? At affordable rate, good quality, good brands, $12.99. You can't beat that. That's a combination of straw and leather. And here we have this. I love this structure. And this one is $49.99. I wish this is bigger. Yeah, I wish it's bigger. I love the structure. Yeah, I'll come back to this. I love it. I see myself right here. I'll come back to this, okay? And more lavender. Let me see. This is a top handle one, and here is another one by Juicy Culture. It's on sale for $14.99. You can't beat that. Come with me to shoe section. Shoe section. Let's start with these colorful sneakers. This one is by Made in Girl. If you are all about this trend, come to Marshalls. Okay, and this one is $21.99. Okay, let me show you another one. Look at this. Isn't this cute? $24.99. This is how I can do gold. It's subtle, it's not on your face. And let's take a look at this. I don't know, they keep putting shoes on top of each other. This is cool. This is by CK, and this one is $19.99. Okay, yeah. Yes, $19.99. And I am looking at this raffia flat with a little bit of heels. This is by Steve Madden for $32.99. Good. This is my Guess for $24.99. Interesting. So good. And here we have this one. Alright, $14.99. If you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up. Share. Look at this, $9.99. That's a good one right there. It's a good one. Look at these flats. Let me show you. This is $13.99. And I'm on hand for a very good big bow flats. Look, this is good trend. Look at that. By Bamboo. It's a good one. And this one is just $13.99. Here we have this one. Yeah, all these are available most of them are available in different sizes and same price. This one is $16.99. I am trying to pick new ones in the store, and these ones are likely to be the same price if you see it in the different sizes. $26.99 is new in the store. This is another new in the store. Flats. This is my tummy. This is new in the store for $26.99. It is new in the store. This is also new in the store. Look at that. Yeah, $16.99 by Tommy. Yeah. Look at these flats. All right, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.